Welcome to Home on the Ranch. Thank you guys for watching these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We just got back from the Keys. Can you see our boat behind us? And we got a pretty cool montage of a video for you. And Maddox catches a really nice dolphin, one of the nicer dolphin we caught. Pulled a little drag, jumped around. We may show you a picture of a cool blue parrotfish. Maddox and I both caught a parrotfish. Then Mabry did some camera girling when she was snorkeling the reef. We'll show you some pictures of that and a couple other really cool things. And it's not gonna be that long of a video, but we did take some clips to show you guys. Let us know what you think. Welcome to Home on the Ranch. We're in the Florida Keys and Maddox has his first dolphin on ever. Check it out, guys. We got a lot of rods out, so I'm a little worried it might get a little tangled up, but it looked like a keeper. We saw it at the top. We'll have to see here in a minute. All right, right in the boat. All right. Good job, buddy. Dang. Hey, what you got to say about that? They ate ballyhoo. No, frozen ballyhoo. Good job, Shane. Nice wrangling. Oh, did we see any come up?
I didn't.
Is it a keeper?
It's close.
Okay, you want to set him in the water?
How does it have to be?
You want me to put it in neutral, set it in the water, and see if anything comes up?
Yeah, I gotta get.
Yeah, you got it, man.
Out of here. Yeah. Drop them in.
Let me see. Measure them first. Just get an idea.
Just under 20.
That won't work.
Is it from the floor?
All right, Maddox. Good job, buddy. Let him go. Let him go. And he's off. Good job, buddy. What you think? Nice job. You will not believe it. We got a big one on. We've been catching nothing but little smallies, and Maddox has got himself a real one. Shane, are you gonna man the net?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Keep it coming. Keep it tight, Maddox. Whoa! Look how beautiful that thing is in the water. Try to keep him over here, Maddox. Good job. Oh, it's a bull. Whoa! You got a bull. Nice. Bring him to Shane if you can. Get his head up. There you go, bring him in, Shaner. Throw that sucker on the boat. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Dang, dude. High five, Maddox. That's the biggest one we've had on this boat. Well, boys, we finally got us a good one. That was our last ballyhoo. So we're down to trolling with skirts. But tomorrow or the next day, we're going to be down in the Keys for a week. Oh, it's going to be ballyhoo central.